Alright, in the last video we have seen how to merge different shapefiles into one. Now in this video we're going to see how to dissolve those files into one file. So this was the dissolved file from our previous video, not dissolved, sorry, merged file, which had Dhaka, Chittagong and Rangpur in it, right? Okay, so this file had our Dhaka, then we had Rangpur and Chittagong. There we had merged these three files into one file, but as you can see from this file that the polygons layer is there, and there are three different polygons, not as one. And when I go to the attributes table, we can see that there are three different polygons here with three distinct attributes, attribute values for each attribute. Okay, so now we're going to dissolve these three shapefiles and these three merged shapefiles and turn it into a single shapefile. Okay, so to do that we're going to go to data management tools, then we're going to go to generalization, and then we're going to go to our dissolve tool. After that we're going to choose which file to dissolve. I'm going to choose our Dhaka merge one. There you go. After you have chosen that, just click on OK, and here is our new shapefile that has dissolved the three different shapefiles into one. As you can see, this was our previous merged file, and this is our dissolved file after merging. So in the previous file, the only merged file, we had previously seen that there are three different polygons, but for this new dissolved file you can see that there's only one polygon. Okay, now we can compute the area as well. So to compute area, we'll just open our attributes table, go to add field. Let's name the field area. It's going to be float data. Okay, now we're going to go to calculate geometry, go area, let's take square kilometers. Okay, yes, there you go, it's 82973. So it's 82973. Let's see if the total sum up is the same as that. So we have 12, 25, sorry, not that one. There you go, this is the area. So these are the three areas. Let's go to statistics. Let's see, the maximum is this much. Here is the sum. The sum is 82973.5 of the three different shapefiles. Now let's see our new shapefile, that is the merge and dissolve of those three shapefiles. Let's go to the attributes table, and the area is here, 82973.4949, meaning 5. So 82973.5, same as here, as you can see. There you go. Statistics, here the sum is 82973.5. okay, so that is how you can dissolve your shapefiles in ArcGIS. Thank you very much. If you liked the videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.